sekarang kita mau unboxing apa? Paket siapa? Wow. Wah, ini hasil usaha AA ya. Better di sekolah ya.
Teman-teman, let's open it.
Oke, let's open it.
The remote, ballistas, and more ballistas, and a wood, and the house.
Ouch.
And the crane.
Yeah, the part of the crate. Slow down. Whoa, it's the big part of the crane. So how to make the tower crane? Let's see the what? Picture.
Wow!
Oh, so high, the tower crane. It's for this one.
Wow!
Oh yes. Okay, that's the battery. It's battery for the crane. This one, that one. Ha ha ha.
Oh, Wow!
Rotating. Kalau turunin itunya, boxnya. Kalau udah sampai boxnya turun. Oh. Oh, cool. Keren loh. Bilang apa sama papa? Terus policeman-nya ngapain? Jempale. Mobil box coming. Oh, bukan. Oh, cool. Oh, diantar. Diantar kemana itu? Wow. Okay. Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Now let's smash! Smash! Adventure smash!
Okay.
Smash! Smash! Smash and smash! Smash!
Oh, how about the car?
And smash 3 times
3 cars
at one time.
at one time. How to do?
Lift it up, now smash! Oh, I did it. Smash!
Oh.
I did it. Smash!
Ah.
Smash! Smash! Smash!
Oh no!
One more.
Mm-mm.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Now it's a smooth and smash.
Okay.
And smash those toys so they can be flat as a pancake.
Oh, it's a painting. Let's see. Here we go.
Safety hats ready?
Ready?
Gloves are ready?
Ready?
Safety boots ready?
Ready?
Here we go!
Here we go.
Smash! 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 Oops! Here we go! Next one done!
Uh-oh. What happened? The car is
Black as a
as
pancake.
a pancake. Here you are.
Smash more cars.
Smash more cars.